Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the FIFM 28-pack Airtight food storage container set. If you're looking to get your pantry and kitchen organized, then this set is perfect for you. With 28 BPA-free food storage canisters in 5 different sizes, you'll have everything you need to store your dry foods, liquids, and more. The set also comes with a chalkboard marker and reusable labels to help you keep everything organized, as well as a bonus measuring spoon set. Not only are these containers perfect for storing dry foods like sugar, cereals, and snacks, they're also great for holding liquids like juice and soup. The silicone resin seal ring design ensures that liquids stay safely contained without any spilling. One of the best things about this set is how it helps you maximize space in your kitchen. These containers are stackable and will easily fit into your refrigerator, freezer, or cupboard, freeing up much needed space in your pantry. We stand by the quality of these containers and are committed to providing the best customer service possible. If you ever have a problem, don't hesitate to contact us. So if you're ready to take your kitchen organization to the next level, be sure to check out the FIFM 28-pack Airtight food storage container set. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.